love, light, and data science to anybody joining in this video right now. My name is Dominique and I'm so happy to be here with you all today, sharing with you all my first data science video. We're going to step into what is called natural language processing, not neolinguistics programming. That's a whole nother video that I'm excited to share with you all in the future. But natural language processing is a field that's within artificial intelligence, and it focuses on interaction between computers and human language. It allows us to input codes that recite details and information, and it also helps generate human language. It also allows for a wide range of applications that are transforming various industries, of course. And so it's pivotal in our data-driven world today because it does aid with data volume. With an exponential growth of textual data from social media, the logs, news articles, and other sources, NLP helps with processing and extracting these important bits of information. And what we'll be doing today is actually utilizing the Tokenizer and the Soup Code, that's going to be really fun. So I'm just going to walk through that and some exercises basically, and we're going to see a really cool graph get made also. But some other benefits to NLP is that it really does help with automation and efficiency. The automation of routine tasks such as customer service tasks via chatbots, streamline workflows, and increasing efficiency in handling large volumes of data. This also improves accessibility. So how? It's because it enhances accessibility through applications like speech to text for those with disability, for enabling more inclusive interaction with technology, which ultimately is like a really beautiful thing. Shout out to Elon Musk, who's really like doing a whole lot right now. I mean, I don't know if you all heard, but he's doing like a lot of things right now with the Neuralink, the brain Neuralink. Maybe I'll talk about it, but right now we're going to talk about NLP. So another thing is that it's enhanced decision making. This really helps a business gain insights into market trends, customer sentiments, and much more. Our lesson actually starts out with, imagine you're trying to get the data on a film review, and so that's actually, I just did it because I love film and entertainment, all that stuff, acting, dancing. I'm an artist, so we're actually doing data science with an artist, if you didn't know. Applications for NLP are really diverse. Again, chatbots, virtual assistants. You can utilize machine translation, which is translating text from one language to another language. This really helps break down language barriers. Also text summarization, which is really what we'll be doing today in the coding. This is automatically generating summaries of long documents, saving time and effort. We're going to go through learning how to take out or look at stop words, how many stop words, look at the first 5 letters in the sentence, without having to go through the entire URL. And so I'm really excited to share this with you all. Just some notes. Again, we're going to be going into that of the Soup Code and Tokenizer codes. These are essential for web scraping and natural language processing. So the Soup Code is going to be mainly, and you'll see this when we get into the video, of the beautiful soup. We're going to use Python. I'm on a Mac, so just to let you all know, we're going to be stepping in on my Mac. I've got Jupyter open with Jupyter Notebook, Python through Jupyter Notebook, I should say more respectfully. I just really love to work with that process. Even in R, I use Jupyter Notebook for art as well. I love how easy it is to read. It's just so easy to read. I don't know why I love it so much. So we'll want to make certain that we're realizing that Beautiful Soup is going to help us to examine HTML and XML documents. So that's exactly what I'm going to do, is use this Alice in Wonderland URL link that was given by my class for this lesson. And I'm just going to walk us through codes that are going to help us decipher details within it. And then there's the Tokenizer code. This is a fundamental step as well in NLP because this will help us break down smaller pieces of information. These tokens can be words, sentences, or even characters depending on what you need. this will need to install for certain. We want to make certain that we have our pip going up. We're going to want to use Beautiful Soup and a pip install and to install the NLTK library. So I will go ahead and get that going on to the next video. Peace, love, and data to you all.
Hello everybody, we're doing data with Dominique and I'm beginning with an NLP and Python. So first what you want to do is open up your terminal. I already have mine open here. I'm on a Mac, so my terminal's already open. I already populated Jupyter Notebook, as you can see over here. I've already labeled my lesson. What I'm actually going to do is now do a markdown, and I'm just going to do install package. Okay. I'm actually going to change it to package installs. Then what we're going to do after we do package installs, I'm going to go ahead and start installing the package that are needed. I'm going to import all of these packages here. And I'm going to move forward by reading in the text that I'm going to use. So in this example, this is the example for the class, but for the actual assignment, and this is the link. It's an Alice in Wonderland and Adventures. And so what I'm going to do is copy this link, and it says here a URL equals. So that's what I'm going to type over here is URL equals, and I'm just going to paste that, but I'm going to do a single quotation and then run that. Now I'm going to type R and run that. Oh, I got an error. Okay, let's see. Oh, hold on, I forgot to run this code. You have to run this code R equals. That was very clear put, so I'm just gonna cut this out. Only life could be so easy. And then now I'm going to do R, or type, in parenthesis R, and run that, and I do get this response. So that's how I know I've done that correct. Now I'm going to move forward. I'm going to convert this. So I just have to run this. And so you'll see that once I run this code, the soup.titleString code, it actually does present its own code from this link that I inserted. You'll see that it actually says the Project Gutenberg ebook of Alice Adventures in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. So super cool. So that's the title of the web page. Let's go ahead and go to the link. And you'll see the Project Gutenberg ebook, Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. And so how cool. And literally the link is a real book. But so the next step, is to tokenize data. So what this will do is give the first 5 words. So I'm going to run this code here. And it says the Project Gutenberg ebook of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see over here, the first 5 words. I guess it's just not listing start of. It's only reading the Project Gutenberg ebook. But I actually don't even know where it's reading this from because I don't see those words specifically. But it's somewhere because it's pulling it. So oh, it's pulling it from the title. Okay, so anyway, we tokenized the data. We got the first 5 words. So you can do this with really any website. So now we can remove capitalization for whatever reasons you would, maybe want to do this. You want to, because it is a loop, you'll want to actually insert the amount. And you'll see the amount it took off the capital letters. And then the next step would be to remove any stop words. These are words that mean nothing out of context, or words, basically words, these are boring or useless words. This is the understanding of a stop word. So this would take the code out or take the stop words out, and to run it will show you all of this. These are the words. They're not going to have any emotional context, descriptive information, or tell you anything about the subject. And so now we're going to do it with words without stops, 5 to run that. And so that's going to be stop words. And then the last part is to plot. I love making plots. I think they're so cool. I mean that you just type a couple of words and then a whole graph appears. It's just the coolest thing to me. You can tell that it's not the same because the words are different. There is the word said. That's a popular one, is another one. It's in here. But on the example, they're totally different than what's actually in the result of what populated with what I'm showing. And you see here that counts. So X is the label. So X is going to be the actual names. So the sample. So A said Alice, little one, no, would, went, could, queen, thought, time, see, well, king, etc. And then the counts are going to be this 100 to 500, and this is going to be the Y. That's everything, actually. That's the whole practice of natural language processing with an URL, and that's how simple it is.